Hello everyone, my name is Sumbat and I'm from Kazakhstan.
And I'm Cassie from the USA.
So in this video, we're going to introduce Chonam National University's International Summer Session program. And even though it's online, it doesn't mean it's boring.
Yeah, that's right, because even though it's online, every single student who joins our program will be receiving this really cool gift box.
Wow.
I mean, look at that. Okay, so before that, let's introduce Chonam University. This program started in 2009, so this is officially the 13th summer session.
Wow, 13, lucky number, huh?
I know, right? And like I said, it's online.
Yeah.
We'll be inviting 150 students from 20 different countries to participate together in our 4-week online summer program.
Awesome. Chonam National University is actually located in southwestern part of Korea in the city Gwangju. And Gwangju is actually known for its democracy.
That's
and
right.
It's a city of justice.
And not only that, it's a city in our hearts.
Yeah.
I've lived here for 5 years and I consider it a home away from home.
And even though I live in Seoul right now, I come to Gwangju all the time. I love it here.
Yes. So the first box is all about Chonam University souvenirs and traditional Korean gifts.
Okay, that sounds good.
The second box is full of K-food mixes and recipes to make your own Korean cuisine.
Okay.
And this cute little third box here, yes, has materials and instructions to make your own traditional Korean keepsake.
Okay, that's cool. Fourth one is my favorite because it has snacks. And the fifth one, well, this is my friend. This one is a hidden one. This one is a bonus.
The mystery, the bonus.
We actually don't know what's inside. I kind of want to open it now. Okay, well, let's do the unboxing first, okay?
Okay, so we have box number 1, Chonam University's souvenirs and traditional Korean gifts.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Looks really cool.
Yeah.
Let's start. What is this?
I think my favorite one is probably this. It's a box of traditional Korean tea.
Tea? No way. Is that a tea?
Yeah, look how cute all these pictures are.
That is so pretty. Next one is a book called Human Acts by author Hangan. This book is actually written about the democratic uprising that happened in Gwangju in May 19th, 1980.
Yeah, and actually this is probably one of the most important dates in Gwangju's history.
So this book talks about 6 stories that will happen in that period, and it's a very heartbreaking but very powerful story, so I think it's a must read for everyone.
Yeah.
So what's next?
Let's
What
see.
is that?
Along with the book, I heard inside here there are some really cool bookmarks.
That looks very fancy. What the hell? Is that gold? Oh my god, that's gold. Yeah, so the next one, what is this? These are the postcards. Awesome, right? Who doesn't love postcards?
And these are all pictures of Gwangju and Chonam University, right?
Yeah.
Along with the postcards are these stickers, right? We have a pop socket, which the emblem is a statue in Chonam University. Stick that on your phone. Great way to watch YouTube videos without hands.
And the last item is, I think this is a tripod. So when you attend our summer session, you don't really have to use your laptop. Okay, or you can do a selfie. So, shall we?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, on to box number 2. All about K-food. Specifically, hotdog.
Oh my god, I think I've heard of hot dog.
Hotdog is literally my favorite Korean street food. Yeah, so what is hotdog? Hotdog is kind of like a sweet pancake.
Okay.
You have a wheat flour, and on the inside is an ooey gooey brown sugar and crushed peanut mixture. It's so good.
Yeah. And for those who have peanut allergy, we also have a cheese one.
Which I'm a little interested about because I've never tried this.
Ooh, this looks good. But I don't know how to make hot dog. I'm not really good at baking. Is this hard?
It's not hard. And you don't have to worry because we'll have a video to show you as well. So how about we take a look?
Yeah.
Not too hard, right?
Yeah, actually it looks very easy. I think I can do it.
But you guys will see for yourself when you join our summer program. What is in box number 3?
Okay, do you know what's indang?
No. Can you tell me?
So indang is actually a personalized stamp. So in Korea, instead of signing papers, a lot of people just use the stamp. And yeah, not only Koreans, but foreigners like us can make that one too. I have one.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Ah.
Look. And then you put it like that. Look how pretty. Look how pretty.
Look how cool that is. I want one.
Yeah. So I'm gonna walk you through how to make this one.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So box 3 is not just about stamp making.
Really?
It's also about K-pop.
Oh my god, no way.
I know how big of a fan you are. Anyway, so did you know that J-Hope was actually born and raised in Gwangju?
Oh yeah, they call him a pride of Gwangju.
That's right. And not only that, but he attended a dance academy in Gwangju.
Okay.
And his teacher has offered to teach us, the students of Chonam summer program, how to dance just like J-Hope.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's take a look.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with the salt on the side.
And now on to box number 4. So we have a whole variety of Korean snacks, but we're just gonna show our favorite ones.
Sounds good.
Let's start with this one. This one is my childhood favorite one. Did you know this is choco pie?
I'm gonna try this one. Honey butter was a really trendy flavor a
yeah.
few years ago, and I still love it.
I heard people stay in lines for like days to try this one,
They
right?
did. It was crazy.
What is that? Is that almond? Okay, let's see. Oh my god.
See? It's just like a chicken leg.
It's a giant, tiny chicken leg. Oh my god. This one's total my style. I like this one.
Can't forget this. This is like the liquid gold of Korea.
Ladies and gentlemen,
coffee
we
stick.
present you Maxim. And this one, you probably saw this one a lot, right? This is the spiciest ramen, which we're gonna try.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna try, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm ready.
Are you okay? How is it? Are you okay? Here's some more. Yeah.
A mask.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a long day. I want to put my mask. Now we're putting the mask. Okay, I think, did I get it right?
Oh yeah, it looks pretty good.
Okay.
Does it feel refreshing?
It is so refreshing. My god, goodness, it smells great.
Okay, so we're gonna finish here for box number 4.
Yeah, there's a whole variety that you can try at home later, but yeah,
These were some of our favorites.
and try the masks.
Yeah, but when you get the box, there will be some other flavors you've yet to see. Now, we know what's in this box, but you will not find out until you receive this in your house during the summer session.
Yeah, but we can give you one hint. It is related to BTS.
Oh. And we can show you some comments that are written about this on YouTube.
Yeah, so let's see. Okay, this one is funny. This is one of the reasons why Big Hit won't give subtitles in the future.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine says this has got to be the first merch that K-armies won't buy.
K-armies won't buy.
So this is like a foreign army exclusive.
Ooh, interesting. Oh, this one says, RM learned English watching Friends. Now Army can learn Korean with BTS. But they can actually also practice Korean not only with BTS, but on the Saturday's language exchange programs.
Oh, at Chonam?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Okay.
And let's see. There's one more.
Yeah.
Nobody's talking about how freaking cool that pen is.
So that's his number 2. There is a pen.
So,
As we said, this box is going to remain a mystery, but let's show you a little sneak peek.
yes, we'll get a sneak peek for what you can see this summer. Okay, now that you've seen all the amazing gifts, you definitely want to participate in the summer session, right? I know I do.
Right. Chonam National University International Summer Session will take place from June 24 to July 20, 2021 online. Don't miss the chance to earn college credit, learn Korean, and explore Korean culture with international friends.
And of course, receive your amazing gift box.
Right.
The deadline to apply is March 20th.
Right.
You can find the link in the description box below, or you can apply using the QR code.
Yeah, hope to see you there. Bye.
See you at the summer session. Bye.